let's cut our 45-degree angles. We want to cut off the corners of pieces F, G, H, and I using the 45-degree angle guide on the 12-inch trimmer base. And as you're watching, you'll see that these are 6-inch by 1.5-inch pieces. The first two that we're cutting are F and H, and we start with the green tonal sheet. So the first one is done, and now we're cutting the second one. So you place it with the green showing, and you place it on the 45-degree angle with the tip on the first dotted line on the mat. You're cutting your first 45-degree angle. You flip it over so the white base is showing on the paper, and then you're cutting your second 45-degree angle. So you're done with your first two pieces, F and H. For G and I, you want the white background showing. So you place it on the 45-degree angle, and again, you're placing the guide over this to make the cut. Super simple, super easy. If you don't have a Creative Memories 12-inch trimmer, you need one. Flip it over so that now you're seeing the green tonal side. You'll make your second 45-degree angle cut, and that's your third piece. Then your last piece is again starting with the white background showing, and you place it on the 45-degree angle for that first end cut. Then flip it over for your last cut, and you'll see the green side showing, and you'll make your final angle, 45-degree angle cut. Then you'll place these pieces according to the layout guide for spread 2.